fridge door creaks and silence clears. A hungry soul wakes from a dream, and rain begins a midnight scheme. On the shelves we sit so still, then the door opens against our will. A lonely cucumber, some cheddar cheese. Please don't pick me, take someone else please. On the shelves we sit so still, then the door opens against our will. A lonely cucumber, some cheddar cheese. Please don't pick me, take someone else please. At 3 a.m. a light appears, the fridge door creaks and silence clears. A hungry soul wakes from a dream, and rain begins a midnight scheme. Butter hides in the back so cold, olive jars shake feeling so bold. A swift hand grabs yogurt's lid, and the last strawberry gone in a bid. Oh humans, why this nightly raid? No peace for us, no spot of shade. The fridge stays cool but our hearts break. At least shut the door gently for heaven's sake. At 3 a.m. a light appears, the fridge door creaks and silence clears. A hungry soul wakes from a dream, and rain begins a midnight scheme. The back so cold, olive jars shake feeling so bold. A swift hand grabs yogurt's lid, and the last strawberry gone in a bid. Oh humans, why this nightly raid? No peace for us, no spot